Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 3 of the how to become a pro makeup artist. So today we're going to be talking all about skincare prep before makeup. Now I'm already started. I have these eye patches underneath my eyes. This is the Drmtlgy brightening eye masks. I love to do this right when I get up in the morning, but for this video I wanted to put these on. So I'm going to leave these on for about, does it even say on here? I'm going to leave these on for about 10 minutes and then we're going to come back and start prepping the skin. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Now I can take these off. And then what I like to do is I just kind of like to massage the residue that's under the eye. And next I'm going to use a toning essence. This is the JAFRA Royal Jelly Revitalize Toning Essence. I love this one. It's one of my favorites to prep the skin. And I only use this to prep the skin. I have other toners that I use when I am doing my nighttime skincare routine, or even if I'm not even wearing any makeup, I have a toner that I like to use. Okay, so next we're going to go into the Naturium BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I absolutely love this exfoliant. It really exfoliates. It's a liquid exfoliator, and it really exfoliates the skin. It has salicylic acid. I'm almost out of it. It's like one of my favorite products. This is great for oily skin, which I love, and I like to, especially with this liquid exfoliant, I like to use this side of my Foreo Luna 4 to really massage my face. And what I like to do is I just like to get it in the palm of my hand first, pour some out, and then just start kind of applying it to the face. And sometimes I also just pour some of it on, oh that's not, on the Foreo as well. So on the device, for the app, it has different massage patterns. And I like to do the lymphatic drainage one for when I do my massaging. So it's not timed for this. I just like to just kind of go over everything on my entire face for just like 2 passes usually. But the parts where I really like to focus is under the eyes, the forehead, and the jawline. You can see my face is a little bit red, so I really have to be sure to have put a lot of, just to have a grip or a slip to it, I guess I should say. Okay, that's done. Next, I'm gonna go into my moisturizer. This is the ITK prebiotic gel moisturizer. There's 2 moisturizers that I usually go in with. This one, and then another one from JAFRA that has some sunscreen in it, so I don't have to use a moisturizer and then use a different sunscreen. It's all in one, which I do occasionally, and then I would put my e.l.f. sunscreen in with the JAFRA moisturizer sunscreen, and it really is nice too. I am going to go in with an eye cream. I'm going to use the ITK Day Plus Night eye cream duo. I'm going to use the daytime side. I'm just going to put that underneath the eyes. And what I found when I prep the skin for makeup, especially for the under eye area, I like to put a eye cream on, because it really helps to kind of having the under eye area be smooth, and so there's not going to be any creasing in that area. And I also go for the same thing on the lids as well. That really does help creasing around the eye area. Now I have maybe 4 sunscreens, and this is a new one that I just recently tried. This is the JAFRA Royal Jelly Revitalize Solar Protection Fluid. This is SPF 50. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. I mean, I like it. It's that like white. I mean, my ITK one is too. To prep the lips, I'm gonna take my favorite thing to prep the lips. This is the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. A really thick formula. I really like that. I like that it comes with a little applicator. Okay, so my skin is nice and ready and prepped for makeup. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!